I wanted to make a quick video to show you how to do the KWL sheets just one more time in case you may have forgotten or maybe you missed class on Wednesday or Thursday, depending on which class you take me on. But for homework, your first homework is to go watch a video and to go pick a reading and read that reading. And as you do, you'll do a KWL sheet for each one. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and show you where to download the KWL sheet, where to watch the video if you want to watch the video again that explains it, and of course, kind of how to do it. I'm not going to go into major detail, but I'll show you guys kind of how to do that a little bit. All right, so we're going to go to our Blackboard, and we're going to go to Weekly Calendar and Learning Series on the left-hand menu. We're going to go find our homework assignment. For this week, we're in Project 1, Week 1, and we're going to go looking for the homework. On the table of contents, we'll see that there's an HW readings. That means that that's for homework, and HW KWL sheet. So we'll go check out the readings really quickly. And sure enough, yep, there are 3 readings to pick from. Read the instructions. You'll have 3 readings to pick from. Of these readings, you pick one and you'll read it. If I want to read this one, for example, I'll pull it out and it's going to be page 82 to 87. I'm just going to go find page 82 really quickly. One more time. There we go. And this should be page 82 right here. There it is. And so the way that we do the KWL sheet is I'm not going to read it first. I got to do my K and my W before I read. So I know I have my reading chosen. You can pick whichever of the 3 readings you want. And we're going to go back to Blackboard and we're going to download the KWL sheet. If you go to the homework KWL worksheet, that's the assignment. Not only is that where you'll submit it, you should also be able to access the KWL sheet from there as well. So if you click on it, it will download. And you can then open up the document. There it is. And you can write in it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to look at the title of the video or the title of the reading. In this case, I'm going to go back to, there is one correct way of writing and speaking. Now, I like to just do the title. Sometimes I'll do like maybe the first paragraph to kind of get a sense of what the topic is about, and then I'm going to go in there. So the first thing I'm going to do is, okay, well, I'm just going to look at the title. Let me go back to my KWL sheet. What do I already know about this topic? Well, I've experienced this myself in classrooms, so I know that a lot of teachers only accept English in their work for class, and not just like any English. They don't want text speak or LOLs or emojis. They want it to sound very formal. I know this comes from racism. My own dad experienced this a lot when I was younger. I remember we walked into a convenience store when I was little, and he was so upset because he said something in Spanish and some other person in the store told him some nasty things about him speaking Spanish. So that's what I know. Now, what do I want to know? Go back, look at that title. There's one correct way of speaking and writing. Go back. What do I want to know? I want to know why. I mean, I know racism, but are there other reasons? Why do schools only value one way of writing in English? Is there any way to stop this? Does it really come from racism or something else? All right, that's what I want to know. And then what I'll do is I'll start to read it. Now that I've done my want to know and my know, I'm ready to start reading it. And as I read it, I'm going to write down anything that stands out to me, anything that I learn. I'm going to start writing it down here. And when I'm finished, I'm going to hit save. See, right now I'm not finished, right? So obviously I would need to finish it, but I'm just going to show you really quickly. I'm going to save it to my computer. Let me go find a place to save it. I think I'm just going to save it to my desktop for now. I'll call this. And I saved it to my desktop. And now I'm going to come back to Blackboard. And I'm going to upload it here. So what I can do is I'm just going to go upload files on the assignment, right? Assignment is the homework. It'll always say homework KWL worksheet. And that's where we're going to submit our homework assignment. And now I need to do 2 of them, right? I need to do one for the reading and one for the video. So I'm submitting one right now. I'll have to go do the video one and upload that one as well. I'm going to go find my KWL sheet. I have a lot of stuff on my computer. There it is. And I'm going to open it and I'll submit it. Now it's really important. I know that my example that I just showed you right now, it only had the K and the W and not the L. If you were to turn in an incomplete worksheet like that, you would get a 66 or lower. So remember to always complete all sections in order to get your full points. And when you're done, make sure you hit that yellow submit button. And then you're finished with the homework for this weekend. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, shoot me an email. Bye.